Google Bard, short for Biologically Augmented Recurrent Delineation, is an advanced AI language model developed by Google. It's designed to assist writers in generating creative and engaging content across various domains, from news articles to fictional stories and everything in between. Now, you might be wondering, what sets Google Bard apart from other language models? Well, let's break it down. Google Bard utilizes a unique combination of deep learning, natural language processing, and neural networks to understand and generate human-like text. The primary goal of Google Bard is to augment human creativity and productivity, rather than replace writers. It functions as a powerful writing assistant, providing suggestions, ideas, and even helping with research. Think of it as a virtual co-writer that can collaborate with you to bring your writing to the next level. Google Bard is a significant leap forward in AI writing technology. It has been trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing it to grasp the intricacies of language and context. With this knowledge, it can generate coherent and engaging content that aligns with the writer's intent. One of the key advantages of Google Bard is its ability to adapt to different writing styles and genres. It can mimic the tone, voice, and even specific writing conventions to match the desired output. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for both professional writers and enthusiasts alike. From generating news articles to helping authors with plot development, Google Bard has already made waves in the writing community. It can assist in brainstorming ideas, expanding on rough drafts, and even suggesting alternative phrasings. The possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for watching.